how to set up shipping on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video, we will learn how you'll be able to set up shipping on your TikTok shop account. All you have to do is go to your web browser or your mobile phone into your TikTok Seller Center. Here, when you're routed into the homepage, all you have to do is to navigate onto the left side panel of the screen and simply go to the shippings option. Here, all you have to do is click on this or hover on this button right below the flags. And that's where you'll be able to see 3 different options to ship, or 3 different categories. Either it's shipping or the batch shipping or shipping options. But before anything else, you need to go to your seller profile and go to your account settings. Here, what we need to do is to make sure that you have your warehouse settings, wherein you have the correct address for your warehouse and the correct address as well that you have for the return warehouse and the pickup warehouse that you have here. Make sure that you have the correct details from the contact number to the address, so that when someone will order in your shop, the courier or the shipping courier will definitely know where they will go to pick up the order. So once that is set up, you can go back to the shipping options. And the first thing that we will do here is go to shipping options. And then later on, we will go to the batch shipping. Okay. So first, here is the shipping options. When you click on it, you will be routed into the page where you can choose what type of shipping carrier you'll use for the products that will be sent. And as you can see here, the shipped via platform only has one standard shipping option. I mean, it only has a standard shipping, which is the local option, which is either you can use JNT Express or the Ninja Van Philippines, or you have another option as well here. It also indicates we have the Flash Express as well. So when you click on this drop-down button, it actually shows you the minimum weight, the maximum weight, the minimum shipping size, basically all the details that you need to keep in mind when you will be sending or shipping a product to your customers. Okay, so once that has been chosen, or once you have reviewed all those shipping options that you have, you can go to batch shipping, wherein first you need to arrange the shipping. First is you need to select the packages, what type of shipping provider you will use, whether it could be the Flash Express, the JNT Express, or the Ninja Van for the shipping of the product. You also have the option to select the order, if it could be a pre-order or it is not a pre-order. Another option here is that you can have the print status of your product, whether you already have the printed labels on it, the shipping label printed, or you have the packing list printed as well. This is very helpful so that by the time that the product will be sent out, it would be easier for the product to be received and processed by the shipping provider that your products will be handled with. So here you can actually look into the order ID as well. Once you already have the orders that you have on your TikTok shop account, you need to put these details, like what product it is, so that you will be able to proceed with arranging the pack list or the packages. Another detailed information here, or another advanced information, is that you can get the time paid. You can have the name of the warehouse. You can indicate whether it has a customer message. So you can just use the Philippine pickup warehouse. And then for customer message, you can just have the option to no customer message, no seller note. You can just click on the drop-down button and then just choose from the options that are being provided. and you can just add no flag. Once that's done, you can go ahead and look into the batch 2 of shipping on the right side panel of the screen, wherein once you arrange the shipment, the logistics will provide a notice to collect the packages from you, and you can also generate the documents. So for example, you're packing the orders already. This is where you can indicate what the order ID is, or the package ID, and then on the right side you'll be able to see that this is where you can print the labels, the shipping label and the packing list, which is the informations or the document that you will be putting on your orders or on the customer's order, so that it would be easier to track by the couriers as well. So as you can see here, when you click on print selected packages, it actually needs at least one order for you to proceed with the process. Since I currently don't have any orders yet, I am not able to proceed with printing the selected packages, but you don't have to worry. It's so easy. You actually are guided with steps here on the right side panel of the screen, and you actually can choose what the format of your shipping label is. Is it A6 or A5? And you can have this eye icon right here. When you click on it, it provides you the sample size or the format of the documents that will be printed out later on. And that's basically it. That's how you will be able to set up the shipping on your TikTok shop. And you just need to fill out or complete the document settings, and then you just need to print it and make sure that it's attached on the product or the packaging of the product that you are selling. Right here. So you can look into these informations. And a good thing here is that you can actually have the option wherein you can check the packages before shipping through the seller app, wherein the Seller Center app will be launching a tool where it will help you to keep track on the products that you will be sending out here on your TikTok shop for your customers. And those are the process of setting up your shipping on TikTok. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Hope you learned a lot, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!